The Vivo V19 launch date has been confirmed as March 10 by the company. This launch date is for the Indonesian market, but rumors are rife that the handset will break cover in India by March, ahead of the IPL 2020 season. As per tweets by the official Vivo Indonesia account, Vivo V19 will launch in the country with 48MP quad rear cameras, single punch-hole display to house the 32MP selfie camera. The tweets also reveal the design of the smartphone. Additionally, the 48MP primary camera of Vivo V19 suggests it is likely the Pro model will get the 64MP sensor. Vivo V19 specifications and features. Going by the teasers, the Vivo V19 will have gradient finish and come in at least two color options, blue and pink. The handset will pack USB Type-C port and 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom edge. Other specifications of the phone remain vague at the moment, but rumors suggest that it would come with Qualcomm's mid-range Snapdragon 730G chipset under the hood. The SoC is likely to be paired with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage onboard. The Vivo V19 handset is expected to run Android 10-based Fun Touch OS out of the box. The phone's 48MP quad rear cameras could sport an 8MP ultrawide sensor, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. The phone will reportedly be driven by a 4,500 mAh battery and backed by Vivo's dual-engine fast-charging tech. The handset will be the successor to Vivo V17 smartphone from last year, which was priced in India at Rs 22,990. We expect the Vivo V19 to come with a similar price tag. Additionally, the Vivo V19 Pro is also expected to be launched soon. The handset will be a slightly upgraded version of the vanilla V19 and is tipped to pack a punch-hole display with dual selfie cameras. That's all we know so far. Please subscribe to Rich Advise for latest tech news, reviews, tutorials and more. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.